Hi, this is Donna Powell and
Debbie Green.
And we're with Clemson's Tri-County Master Gardener Green Thumbs program. And today we're going to do another activity with herbs. We're going to make a cream cheese spread. And what we're going to start with is
some cream cheese. You want to have it good and soft. Good and soft. We have some chives.
Yes.
Cut those up nicely.
Garlic.
Garlic. If you want to add real garlic, just mash some up, especially in the cold and flu season where you want to get all that medicinal properties from garlic. Would be great to add.
I like a little hot sauce in mine.
Yeah.
And just a dab of salt. And for pepper, I like paprika.
Good on spreads. As a spread on crackers. Donna's got a neat little...
Yeah, that I just put everything in it, mix it up, and when it's mixed, I take it out, put it in a little container, and it looks like this.
And it's yummy.
Yes, and you can do the same thing with butter.
Soften your butter, not melt. Soften. Add some chives, again, just a few chives. Cinnamon for your sweetness. And then maybe use some dried fruit. Peaches in season right now. Add some dried fruit. Add a little pinch of basil on top after you've mixed your spread. Put it on there. Put a little piece of basil on it. Put that on a tray, and how nice will that be?
That's beautiful.
You could slice up some raw peaches as well.
Yeah.
Or you could use orange
juice. Watermelon. Cantaloupe.
Yes. Anything
lots
right
of
now.
Choices.
But use your butter and use your cinnamon to sweeten it, and just a little bit of chives. Leave out your garlic salt, that kind of thing.
And y'all try and see what you come up with. Lots of different variations, lots of herbs out there that you can play with. Lots of your culinary herbs you can play with, like I did with the garlic and the paprika.
You can use basil with the chives. You could
that would be
thyme,
good.
A little bit of thyme.
Yeah, thyme.
There's just so many out there that you can do. And if you have some purple basil, you could use that for your garnish. All right.
That's it. Y'all have a great day. Happy gardening.
Enjoy.
Signing off.
Bye-bye.
Bye.